All right, here we are. We decided to open up our storage locker that we bought for $160. Christmas lights. Got some mystery boxes here still. DJ equipment. We found a drum set. We're hoping the rest of the drum set is in there. This is a radio light. Here's the DJ lights.
Let's put this in the truck.
All right, go home and start a karaoke business or something. There's a small generator in there. It's got compression, but we don't know if it will start yet. This is a camping table. Taxidermy fish. More DJ lights. Oh, that looks like it.
This is a car seat.
It's got a strobe on the front.
This is a car seat.
Yeah, it's like from like a minivan or something over there. I'm not sure if these are homemade or not. They're definitely rustic looking.
Oh, there's peanut oil.
Peanut oil. Well, I'm not gonna. It feels like clothes or bedding in here. So I don't think there's anything cool there. We'll look at that later. This is, what is this? Oh, I see another taxidermy thing in there.
This is other drum. This is other part of the drum kit.
Oh, okay, got the rest of the drums.
You guys have fingers. We go for that.
There's more taxidermy looking things in there. So I bet we have a whole drum set. Peanut oil, why not? This is
a bunch of long stuff.
yeah, that's more camping stuff. This might be the rest of the drums, though. One of these things, I don't know.
No, this is camping stuff. Oh, you're saying like I don't see any symbols.
That's where all the money is in the cymbals.
This is for the.
All right, so we got some camping equipment. All right, be back. Well, here's day 2 of our dig of the storage locker 144, and it's a beaut. This is so far trash. We thought, unless I can find, this is a turkey fryer here, unless I can find the pot for it, it's kind of useless. It doesn't really have all the parts to it. And there's a lot of trash going on here. We still have some more to go inside. Good news, though, is that we found the DJ lights. We knew about the DJ lights right here, but we didn't know how to control them, and I just found the chaser, which is a controller. It's a Elation T4 controller, which you plug the lights in and it makes them chase across 4 different channels here. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 be blinking back and forth like that. So that's really useful to have the controller for. That's probably, I don't really know, it's probably worth about $100 or so, something like that. Someone, I'm not sure what this is. Someone built this. It has a very, very old wire, a cloth wrapped wire, going to this box. It has a light in the front. So I'm not quite sure what's up. They mounted this blue gel in front of it. So I'm not really sure what's going on there. I'll have to look into that. I don't think it's really anything. It looks like it might have been made out of like an old heater or something like that. There's a couple of more strobes here. These are plastic though. I don't know if there's any. I'll go test them out. Here's one still in the box. It's a mini flash. There's probably about 4 of those all together in the DJ light set. And then it came with some extension cords, which is nice. Can always use those. I'll be back. Well, this is pretty much how it's going to end up here. This is all trash, with the exception of on these light bars, there's a couple of strobes. I'm going to come back and pull those off. Those strobes are probably still good. And this box down here is full of hundreds of CDs. So I'm going to go look into research how to deal with those. They look like they're in pretty good shape. So unfortunately, we had a lot of trash in here. There were some good finds. A couple more bags of trash here. These are mostly things that we'll be keeping. I'll be donating some books and things like that to Goodwill. There's the light controller that's in there, in that weird box with a light in it. Some firewood. There's a fish, I guess it'd be like a fish gutting table. And then inside here is a whole box of like corner shelves and things like that. I'm just gonna donate those to Goodwill as well. We found a little old DVD player inside that little pink backpack as well. So that's pretty much how it ends up. We'll probably shoot a little more video footage of everything once we kind of get it cleaned up too.